Good morning, students. So tomorrow is a very important day for you because tomorrow is your accountancy board examination dated 29 Feb 2024. So already I have given you the important questions which you must do. But today the last moment questions I am providing you, and you all must prepare these questions. The most important unit of your accountancy is partnership, which comes of 36 marks. So this is going to make a difference of scoring the marks. The optional questions, if I am going to add, the unit is going to be around 45 marks. So some of the important questions which you must look out for of the theory are features of partnership, rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed, profit and loss appropriation account, fixed and fluctuating capital account, goodwill, meaning, factors affecting goodwill, methods of valuation of goodwill, sacrifice ratio, gaining ratio, revaluation account, meaning, cases of dissolution of firm, who is executor. These questions have been asked many times, repeatedly, again and again in your board examination. So just look out for these questions. Now, numerical questions. Accountancy is all about the numerical. So you must do the numericals based upon the following things. First, preparation of P&L appropriation account, past adjustments, specifically related to profit wrongly distributed, interest on capital, overcharge or undercharge, preparation of revaluation account, calculating sacrifice, gaining and new profit sharing ratio, treatment of goodwill, both at the time of admission, when the partner brings the goodwill in cash and when goodwill is not brought in cash. Very, very important. These general entries we have done many a times in your class, and many a times these questions have been given to you in your papers as well. Preparation of revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet. These questions are going to be of 6 marks. Very, very important. So you should look out for these questions relating to admission, retirement, and then preparation of executor account. When you are preparing the executor account, I have explained you many times in class that P&L suspense account is the most important account over here. So you should be knowing the working of preparing the P&L suspense account, because one question of 6 marks is definitely going to come from the death of a partner. So dissolution of partnership firm, one question of 6 marks is going to come from the dissolution of partnership firm, where you are being asked to prepare the realization account. Just distinguish between the realization and the revaluation account. Very simple. This account is, you have to carry out the things from the balance sheet which is provided to you, and then go by the information which is given to you there in the question. General entries relating to the same should also be done. So this is all about the partnership unit. Now coming to the accounting for share capital and debentures. 24 marks. Very easy to score. The topics are also easy. So you should not leave out any of the topic over here. Important theory questions, equity shares, preference shares and their difference. Type of share capital, presentation in balance sheet. Sweat equity shares, ESOP, told you many a times. Type of preference shares, debentures, meaning type of debentures, difference between shares and debentures. Now coming out to the numerical portion, which you must do, because over here the specific numericals come. So if you are going to do the numericals based upon this, definitely you will score well. General entries related to issue of shares. The simple general entries, that is the application, your allotment and call. These are the simple general entries. The question of 4 marks is going to come over here. Told to you repeatedly many times in class. Pro rata allotment, that is the oversubscription. When the shares are oversubscribed, then the allotment which is done is called the pro rata allotment. Then forfeiture of shares and issue of shares. Definite question. Many a time we have done the questions in class of forfeiture of shares and issue of shares. Don't miss out it. Okay, 4 marks question definitely coming. Issue of debentures, general entries you should be knowing. Either the general entries related to the issue of shares or issue of debentures comes. The same is the mechanism. Issue and redemption of debentures, 6 cases which we have done 4 or 5 times in class. The 6 cases must be mugged up by you till now. A definite question is going to come from these cases. Consideration other than cash. So over here you completed the 24 marks. Now coming to the part B. Make note of it. You have 3 sections over there. Part B and part C. you have to attend part B, because the part C is not in our curriculum, but it is given there in the board paper. So you have to opt out for part B, which is analysis of financial statement. This comes off 20 marks. Meaning of financial statements, users of financial statements, importance of financial statements, comparative balance sheet, tools of financial statements, different types of ratios. Mainly the questions of theory comes from this side. Now coming to the numericals, preparation of comparative balance sheet and income statement. 4 mark question, very easy. You have to take the data from the question itself. You have to simply do the mathematical calculation, that is the division, and you get the answer very easily over here. Then the liquidity ratio, very important. Each year the question from the liquidity ratio comes. Only 2 ratios are there, the current ratio and the quick ratio. Ideal current ratio is 2:1, ideal quick ratio is 1:1. Then the solvency ratio, which is the debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio is the most important ratio under the solvency ratio. Then coming to the turnover ratio, that is the stock turnover ratio is the most important ratio under this. And then the profitability ratio, gross profit ratio and the net profit ratio. Last, preparation of cash flow statement. Don't worry about the cash flow statement. An easy question which I have made you learn in the class. A 4 mark question or the 6 mark question is going to definitely come in your paper. So, all the best students. Last but not the least, all the best. Attempt all the questions and to take care of 1 mark questions carefully. So that is all from my side. Hopefully you all are going to do well in your accountancy paper. That is all from my side. Thank you so much, students. My greetings are there. Thank you.